Hi everybody, this car is back. We got to do a follow-up. We just got to check everything we did about 2 weeks ago.
So you did full wrap on this?
No, we actually did doors back. Somebody else did the front end.
Oh,
Come on,
okay.
take a look at this. Corners, exposed, corners. You can see all this dirt buildup. We didn't do this. All corners, exposed,
so they had done some
cut
work.
short. Look at this bumper.
Do you think this was a dealer or another installer?
I think it was a dealer.
Okay, so just like a pre-cut.
Yeah, straight pre-cut. It's not too bad, but that's not something we would do. There's no edges exposed, wrap all the way in, including this door, panels all the way in. Can't even tell film is there. Right now, we're just looking for any edges, lifting areas, any bubbles. If we can see any bubbles, we just pop it up with the needle. So during the process of doing the follow-up, we noticed this stuff on the film, which I thought it was a bubble, but actually something hit it on this panel and it messed up the film. It ripped it. So therefore, we're gonna replace this small piece for the customer. So not a big deal. We can just take it off, put a brand new one, and it will be good to go.
Anything you want to say to your family? Are you excited to see them for the holidays?
Finally, it took 360 days. Finally gonna be able to see the streets, gonna be able to go home. They probably forgot about me already, so I don't know. I'm gonna show up and they're like, hey, we have a new dad, what are you doing here?
He said he drove it to Las Vegas.
Oh shit, it's in pretty good condition.
Yeah.
It still looks like brand new. All right, so that's it. That's what we do for the follow-up. We check the car, everything looks good. Minor incident on this black piece. We just replace it within 5 to 10 minutes and customer happy.